Hi, my name is Fasila. I am an assistant professor, Department of English, Sir Syed College, Thaliparamba. In this video, I would like to discuss some areas related with linguistics, especially the emerging branches of linguistics. Language is a medium of communication. It is made up of sounds, words, and sentences arranged in a particular order for meaningful communication and expression. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. For linguists, language is the object of study. It is a science that describes and classifies languages. It is concerned with human language as a universal and recognizable part of human behavior. Now we move to the emerging branches. We have sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, anthropological linguistics, ethnolinguistics, literary stylistics, applied linguistics, computational linguistics, forensic linguistics, and neurolinguistics. Here, I am going to discuss these emerging branches in detail. And first, we move to sociolinguistics. The term sociolinguistics appears to have been used initially by T.C. Hudson in the year 1939. Sociolinguistics studies the relationship between language and society. It studies how language varieties differ between groups separated by certain variables. It studies the effects of social aspects like cultural norms, caste, hierarchy, economy on the use of language. Sociolinguistics is heavily linked up with other disciplines like anthropology, ethnography, sociology, etc. Now we move to certain terms related with sociolinguistics. We have speech community, bilingualism, code mixing and code switching, pidgin and creole. Then we have varieties of dialects. We have socio-dialect, register, etc. And now we have the next branch of linguistics, that is psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics or psychology of language is a study of interrelationship between linguistic factors and psychological aspects. It seeks to disclose the mental processes that are involved in the acquisition, production, and comprehension of language. It actually studies the relationship between language and mind. That is, psych means mind and linguistic related to language. Next is anthropological linguistics. Anthropological linguistics studies a specific area of the evolution of language in human society and its role in the formation of culture. Anthropological studies have explored the relation between language and culture. Language is invented to communicate and express a culture. And now we have ethnolinguistics. Ethnolinguistics or cultural linguistics is a field of linguistics that studies the relationship between language and culture and how different ethnic groups perceive the world. It is the combination between ethnology and linguistics. Next, we have literary stylistics. Literary stylistics is another branch of linguistics which concentrates on the unique features of various literary works such as poem, novel, prose, drama, etc. It mainly describes the style of a literary work and may describe its features at the levels of phonology, syntax, lexis, etc. And next is another important branch, that is applied linguistics. Applied linguistics is an approach to language problems, seeks practical solution in an interdisciplinary settings, or it is an interdisciplinary field which identifies, investigates, and offers solution to language related real life problems. So there are a lot of branches of applied linguistics. We have language teaching, language learning, translation, language planning, speech therapy, and lexicography. And the next branch is computational linguistics. Computational linguistics is a scientific study of language from a computational perspective. It is an application of computer science to the analysis, synthesis, and comprehension of written and spoken language. And next, we have forensic or legal linguistics. Forensic or legal linguistics is the application of linguistic knowledge, methods, and insights to the forensic context of law, language, crime, investigation, trial, and judicial procedure. Then we have the last one, that is neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is also a new branch of linguistics which studies language processing and language representation in the brain. It typically studies the disturbances of language comprehension and production caused by the damage of certain areas of the brain. There are a lot of language disorders. Some are aphasia, dysarthria, dyslexia, dysgraphia, and stuttering. Aphasia is actually a language problem caused after brain damage or injury. Dysarthria is a disruption of the muscular control in speech production. Dyslexia is a learning disorder. Dysgraphia is a writing disorder. Stuttering is a speech disorder. That's all. Thank you.